Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create simple bar chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to create simple bar chart in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Now we can see here many chart. We select the bar chart. Then click the bar chart. Then click OK. Now we can see here we make or insert a bar chart very easily. Now you want to edit the bar chart. Click the bar chart. Then go to the design menu and you can change the chart style. Click the style drop down menu. Then choose another style. You can change the chart style color. Click the colors option, then choose another color. And otherwise you can change the layout. Click the quick layout option, then change the layout. Now you want to change the points or category. Click the chart right button on our mouse, then go to the edit data option. Then open the sheet window and we change the data of this chart. Now we can see here we create a simple bar chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.